Hey everyone, I would like to do a step-by-step of a bird. First you make a circle. Then you make a happy face line. You keep your pen or pencil on the end. You bring it down toward the circle and then curl in. Next you do the tail. So somewhere right across from this part, come out a little and up, and then straight down a little, and then back in. Now if you want to make him a little chubby bird, you make a round line that goes around the wing and up. Now I'm going to make my bird a singing bird. You put the letter M, capital M, on the side of the circle and make a circle I. Now I fill mine in. You guys can make it exciting and anime eyes or whatever. Then you add some details or patterns of lines. You can even add a little nostril on his beak. This one looks like he's sitting the way I drew it, so just build a nest. Honestly, building a nest is weird, so I just make a bunch of hash marks and lines around the bird's body, like they're sticks. The bird is moving. And just keep creating that. And some of them coming out and then crossing through. Paper keeps moving until it's hard to see what lines are where, and that it starts to look like a solid piece. And even here you can just kind of shade it in a little around, whoops, shade it in a little bit, and then keep going with the lines. You can even add some leaves sticking out and add the branch, maybe with a couple of leaves on it. Maybe add another branch so it looks like the bird is in between a little Y shape. There, and then you can finish adding details to the bird, like keep a straight line going or a curved line. Keep the line, don't change it up. Keep it going in one direction, and then maybe double back here so that it looks rounded. Whatever you do, just follow the line that you started, and then do the same thing. Like, start making line patterns that are really light and airy, and then just kind of these lines, you got to also tell your hand to stay consistent with where they go so that it goes along with how the feathers are laying on the bird. Ooh, I'm terrible video person today. All right. Yes, I'm not a professional, and yes, I did not get the camera holder set up. All right, there's your little bird in his little nest, singing away. You could even give him some music notes. Maybe some hearts saying, I love to sing, chirp, chirp. And there's your bird. Why don't you give it a try? Make it better than mine. Add more things. Have a blast. Have a great day.